Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company, okay? And this is a glueless 360 wig. Baby, look at that. This is amazing. I'm so excited for this.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss. So guys, I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you buy hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. It is purple and silver. It has this little bow that I love. Let me show you guys all the goodies that they sent me. Wig storage bag, an edge brush and an edge comb combo, this rectangle comb, hair clipper, and a wig cap. So guys, this is a 360 wig. Okay, I have never owned anything like this. I've never owned a 360 wig, so I'm excited. Okay, so guys, everything is done for you as usual. The lace is pre-cut. It is nicely hot combed. It is shiny. As you can see, the curls are shiny. It has 4 combs, two on the side, one in the middle, and then one here at the back. So a 360 wig means it has a lace at the back so that you can be able to do a bun. Okay, and guys, I love the fact that as much as we have the drawstrings to secure the back of the head, they were still kind enough to install this band so that the wig can be even more secure. Okay, so you don't have to worry. All right, we're gonna do this thing together. I'm going to show you, so relax. Okay, I've got you. It blends with my natural hair. Like, it just blends. It blends. I'm surprised. Look. Like, I'm just surprised. It is glueless. Glueless, guys. Guys, it is glueless. Wow, the drawstrings are doing the job. Like, literally, I'm shocked. I am really shocked. And this is, it's glueless, guys. You can see. Wow. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. Come here, cause I'm hold you for life.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.